Good morning, students. All of you here with your textbook. Today we are going to start. Already the lesson which is started. Lesson number 3, plants of backyard. Open page number. We have completed the page number 55, 26, 27, 28. Now open page number 29. Page number 29 you open and you take down the names of plants, trees and climbers and creepers in your textbook only. So all of you be ready with your pencil. So let me give you write the names of plants we have seen under the following groups. So let me give you on the border. So take down the first step. Already heading is there. Write the name of plants we have seen under the. You need not write the heading. Write the name of. Write the names of. Write the names of plants. Names of plants you have seen. You have seen under the following groups. Under the following groups. Under the following groups. So already heading is there in page number. Heading is there on page number 29. So only you write the examples for the following groups. Under the following groups. So it is here already. Clear. Names of plants which you have seen under the following groups. So write down which are there. First, that is plant groups. Name of the plants, name of the trees, and name of climbers and creepers. Climber and creeper. So already the 3 columns are made here in page number. See the page number 29. In page number 29, upper side, plants group is there, trees are there, and climbers and creepers are there. So you can take down in the following columns. That is in the plants in the plants column, trees in the trees column, and climbers and creepers in the separate column. Now, here. First, plants means which are smaller ones. It is already you know that tulsi which is present, which is there near our house. Tulsi plant. You have seen the tulsi plant in front of your house. That is first one is tulsi, TULSI. The next one is tomato plant, TOMATO. Tomato plant, that is already it is there in page number 25. Tomato plant it is you have seen already. Now next rose plant. rose plant. Write down rose plant. Then hibiscus plant. Hibiscus plant. HIBISCUS. Once again, write hibiscus. 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 Means in color it is called Dashala. Understood? Rose is a gulabi hood. Hibiscus, Dashala. Next, last one, jasmine plant. JAS, mine. Jasmine means Malleyo. The color of the jasmine is, the smell is very strong, and they are called in Kannada, they are called as a Malleyo, and their color is white in color. Hibiscus, they will be red, purple, or sometimes yellow also, and white colors hibiscus are also available. Rose always are red in color. So these are the different names of the plants. Now coming to trees group, already know mango tree, write down mango tree. Next, guava tree, GUAVA, guava means pale and what we call guava tree. Neem tree, neem and the bear gida. Next, coconut tree, COCONUT coconut. Then last one, papaya, PAPAYA. So these are the names of different plants, different trees. You can write in the tree column. Now, which are the climbers and creepers? Let me write here. Climber is, first example is grapes. GRAPS, grapefruits. It is a climber plant because the stem is very weak. So that is why it takes the support of other plants and grow. That is first one, climber is grapes example. Example is grapes. Cucumber, CUCUMBER. It is a creeper. Cucumber plant is creeper because it grows on the ground like this. The leaves will be there, and also the stem is very weak. Understood? So it will creep and grow on and in that only fruits will be grown. Understood? Now creep and they grow, they creep and grow. It is why they are called creepers. Next one, pumpkin, PUMPKIN. This is also creep and grow. Next, bitter gourd, BITTER, GUURD, gourd, bitter gourd. Kannada it is called Hagalkai. Bitter is Kani. So bitter gourd. The vegetable is, it is bitter taste. Bitter is Kani. Next, beans, BEANS, beans andre avarika. It is also growing in the creeper plants. So these are the names of plants, trees, climbers and creepers. So you can take down in your book. I am showing you some of the plants here. Complete your writing. So these are the different names of plants, trees, climbers and creepers. Now let us go to, if you have completed it, let us go to next part. That is so now let me show you the If you have completed next pair of this one, so let us go to next part. All have written. Saurabh have written. Now let me write this one. So interesting work it is. You are going to do is open your new page and take down some diagrams, pictures in your new page. I think you have written these all things in your classwork. If you have completed diagram, see here, can see in page number 29, you can see observe the pictures of leaves and do the shape of the leaves and look the name. So here you can see the different shape of the leaves, how they are different from each other. Understood? And some leaves are small, some leaves are big. Shape of the leaves are also different. You can see the different shaped leaves. Some are big, some are small, and some are very small. And the shape of leaves are totally different. And usually they are green color. See in your class, see all of you are not as you are having a different names. The same way, all the plants' name are also different from each other. Understood? All the plants' name are different. Yes, and also their leaves are different. I told you previously, leaves are also different, and their shapes are all different. Shape and size different. Understood? And even the fruits are different. Flowers are different. Colors are different. Taste is different. Even seeds are different. Everything is different, but still we call them as plants. Plants or trees we call them as you are called by third standard or you are called as third standard, second standard children. You all are having so many differences with different names, different address, different pets, different shape, different size. You all are also have to have different things, different changes are there, and different things are there. But still we call them you belongs to second standard group. Understood? The same way, plants should differ in their so many things. Now, let us observe them, how they differ in their, and try to draw them. Try to draw the leaf. Try to draw the leaf diagram. New page, open new page and draw leaf diagram. This is called ring or line. So you can draw in your classwork. Next one. This is a banana leaf. Banana leaf. It is different in its shape. So it is also having small lines, but So you can try to draw. Some are smaller in size. Like this way. The leaves are having different shapes. Next, this way, leaves have different shapes. No lasting. See, only grass like it is. The leaves are like this way. Very simple way. Just like a grass. Understood? So you can draw your book. So these are the different type of leaves, and you can draw and also color them green only. Understood? Now, and last day I told you that already I told you page number 30. So you can draw, already in book only, in textbook only you can color the pictures of the leaves given below. So you can color them with your crayons. That's not any wet colors, dry colors you can color them. So now let us go to the next page, that is page number 31. Now I also told you to collect dry leaves and paste them in the book given. So in this page number 31, try to collect the leaves and paste them in the page number 31. So place is left, collect the dry leaves. First, if you are having, or if the dry leaves are there, you can collect them and you can paste 2 or 3 types of leaves. You can paste them in this box given. Understood? Let me show you some of the leaves I got. See how some leaves are green color. Same plant is same tree, but color different. So this is same plant, the same tree. 2 type of leaves are there. Some are red in color, and means some are like this color, and some are green color. So same type of trees, but different colors leaves are found in the trees. Rarely these leaves are there. Understood? Not more. Some leaves are, all the leaves are green only, but some leaves are like this color. Understood? Now, and also and these are the flowers. So let me show you in page number 32. Look, page number 32. There are some. If you find these flowers in your locality, put right mark. If you have seen these flowers in your locality means in your place, you can put right marks. Here, first one, it is a rose. Rose means gulabi. So it is, it is red in color. So already seen means you can put right mark in the box here. And next, also you have seen this red color hibiscus flower. So you can put right mark. In Kannada it is called Dashwala. Understood? Next, this is sunflower. So you can yellow in color. You can put right mark. Already you have seen in your fields and all. This is lotus. It is pink in color. So you can put right mark. Understood? And now these 2. So let me show you some of the flowers which are there in my book. So here are some flowers. Let me show you some flowers which are there. These are found in our school only. See, you can. These are also type of flowers, and see how the leaves are, how petals are. See, they are very light in color. Light color is also light, pink in color, and very thin. See how thin they are. This one not thick, very thin. Understood? They are very thin. Now here I want to show you some flowers. Look down. Now let me show you the flowers, how they are. Now here you can see the different flowers. Say it is a lotus. You can see the color. Lotus. It is called bluebell. This is called kenna, and dahlia, darehood, and marigold, chenduhood. This is a marigold means chenduhood, and this you are knowing already. Next, daisy means parijata. Daisy means parijata. They are white in color. And next, which are very common for you. This is bougainvillea, which I showed you just now. It is the bougainvillea. And next, this one, rose. I told you that it is red in color. Next, water lily. You can see from the front, water lily, and the hibiscus. See the color how it is. These flowers are available in different colors. Next, lily growing in water, daffodil, aster, sevanthine. See, it is purple in color, and also some are in different colored are available. Understood? So these are some flowers which you can see. Understood? So some common ones I will be giving you, so that you can write them along with the colors. If you finish the alpha, so you can if you have taken alpha, now you can write some name of flowers. Write heading, name of flowers, name of flowers, which you are seeing, or only write the name of flowers. Name of flowers, WERS. Write the heading, name of the flowers. Take down. First one, write the lotus. Yellow tea is lotus. It is pink in color. Next, marigold. MARIGOLD. It is also dark yellow. Yellow or dark yellow. Next, third one, daisy, D-A-I-S-Y, daisy. They are white in color, W-H-I-T, white in color. Next sunflower, fourth one, sunflower. Sunflowers are always yellow in color. All the flowers are of different color. So you can see some pink, dark, yellow, white. Next, rose, R-O-S-E, rose. It is red in color. Red in color. Sixth one, it is aster, A-S-T-R, aster. It is purple in color, P-U-R-P-L-E. So all the means only 7 colors, 7 flowers are in some 7 flowers, 6 flowers are written, and you can see how they are different in their colors. Lotus pink in color, marigold dark yellow, daisy white in color, sunflower yellow, rose red, aster purple. So all the flowers are of different colors. So these are the different types of flowers which are available in your locality, or in our locality. So you can, here is the question for you, and what you must do is page number 32. Name the flowers you have seen. So you can write the same whatever I given you, or you can add some more names of the plants which you have seen. Name the flowers you have seen here, and also name the flowering plants in your garden, and do all the flowers look the same. Look at the colors of the flowers in the garden. Also you can write the colors like this way. So there are different colored flowers, different colors of flowers. They are red, blue, white, yellow, etc. Now here is one activity for you. So you can see here, look at the color of the flowers in the pictures. You can see the different flowers are there, and all are of different colors. And you must write the name of the flower the same color. You must write the name of another flower of same color. So if rose is red in color, you write another red flower in front of this. Another red flower in front of this. Let us say any flowers are available. The same poppy. You can write hibiscus also with forest. You can write hibiscus is also red in color. You can write hibiscus here. So this is white in color. You can write here what? Daisy flower. Daisy, it is also white in color. You can write. And this is also yellow in color, and you can write yellow daffodil flower. You can write here. It is also yellow in color. And this is also last one. It is aster only, and any purple color available. You can write hibiscus and all. And last one it is a orange in color. So any orange color is there, sir. You can draw here, right here. It is, you can any such you can write marigold like this here. So they are little this color is little like marigold. So you can write here the different name of different flowers with the same color. You can write. So this is one of the activity for you. So now here is the lastly, sing and enjoy, and try to sing a song and enjoy. So this activity you try to do it as a homework. I told you previous day, I told you to 3 activities. I told you page number 30 to color, color these diagram pictures, and also paste the leaves here. Paste the real leaves which are dry ones, dry leaves. Thirdly, also here you write the name of the flowers with the same colors, which are having same colors. So these are the three things are told to you. Try to do them. Now time is up. So now let me show all of you. Do whatever work is told. Try to do it. Understood? Thank you for attending the classes.